People everywhere are asking the same question. Is AI going to replace me? And I love that question because it immediately tells me how you're thinking. You're thinking, how do I compete with AI? It's the wrong question. That's like asking, how do I compete with a calculator? You don't. You just stop doing math in your head and you start doing things the calculator can't do. The problem isn't AI. The problem is a lot of people are doing work that looks exactly like what AI does. And that should concern you. So let's be honest that AI is already better than you at a lot of things. Writing first drafts, summarizing information, generating ideas, and organizing thoughts. It's faster, it's cheaper, it doesn't complain. It doesn't need coffee, which already makes it more reliable than half the workforce. So if your value is, I produce information, you're in trouble because AI produces information at scale and it's getting better every day. But here's what AI cannot do. It can't read a room. It can't feel tension in a conversation. It can't notice when someone says, yeah, I'm on board, but everything about their posture says, no, I'm not. It doesn't understand context or subtext or timing. It doesn't know when to push or when to pause or when to shut up, which, by the way, is a skill a lot of people haven't mastered either. AI gives you answers, but people navigate reality, and those are not the same thing. So the more AI handles the easy stuff, the more valuable the hard stuff becomes. And the hard stuff is trust, judgment, influence, nuance. You can have all the data in the world and still lose the deal because the decision was never about the data. It was about, how do I feel about this person? Do I trust them? Do I believe them? AI can support that process, but it can't replace it because trust isn't built on information. It's built on interaction. So stop trying to be better than AI at what AI does. You will lose every time. Instead, double down on what it can't do. Read people, build rapport, navigate uncertainty, influence decisions. Because in a world where everyone has access to the same tools, the advantage doesn't go to the person with the best prompts. It goes to the person who understands people. Because, hey, listen, AI might write the email, but you're still the one who has to close the deal.